Welcome back to today's video. First off, hope you all had a great day today. Well, here's my KTM 65. I'm currently going to bleed the clutch in it because it does not have any resistance at all. I think this is going to be the bike that I'm running at on Sunday. So I'm going to try and find some oil to put in the clutch so I can bleed it out. And yeah, stay tuned. Alright, well, this is what I'm going to use. It's just fork fluid. It's supposed to use mineral oil, but we don't have any. The thinner, the better. So this stuff's really thin. And this is what I'm going to put in there so I can bleed it. Alrighty, well, now I'm going to take that and put a little bit of fluid in here, so stay tuned. Alright, now that you got the fluid in here, you just start doing this. And it should start sucking the fluid down. It might take a little bit, but I'm going to keep on doing this until it bleeds and see if it'll keep on bleeding. Alright, so stay tuned. I don't know if you guys can see that. Sorry about that noise. There's some little bitty bubbles coming up right there. So that means that it is taking the oil, and that is good. Yeah, there's a big bubble. Okay. That's what you need. And you just keep on pushing it in until it gets solid. So, yeah, stay tuned. And guys, this does not happen quick. Let's try and get the camera in focus. On, focus, focus, focus. Alright, well, it's been about 10-15 minutes. You can see the small bubbles around the edge, about right there. Well, I'm just trying to get it to bleed, but I can't really, so it's gonna take a little bit longer, so stay tuned. Alright, well, I took a rag and tied it up. I took a rag and tied it up. Anyway, I think that's gonna be it for this. Peace. I'm out. I'm out, boys. Goonzig. Thanks for subscribing. I'll probably do another video maybe tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, if you enjoy the video, leave a like, subscribe for more.